Khadijah. So if you're new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, join the family, and if you're already subscribed, then welcome back. Alright you guys, so as you can see from the title, I have clip-ins. It's nice that there's clip-ins that you can literally install within a few minutes to give you this kind of look, and you guys will see once I go into like the installation process. Like, my hair is filled with oil. I was in the middle of doing my overnight coconut oil pre-poo, so my hair was definitely a mess. But this is something that I feel you can do if you just have to run an errand, or if you have like a Zoom call or something going on and you like need to be kind of presentable. This is a really quick and easy hairstyle look that you can do. And by the way, these clip-ins are from Curls. You guys know I have done so many videos with Curls before, so you know I wasn't like worried about the quality of the clip-ins or anything because I already knew they were going to be bomb. And they also have affordable clip-ins, so the price is good. Basically, these are Curls new mixed texture clip-ins. I love the concept of this mixed texture because, as you guys know, being a natural, we have like multiple textures on our head. I have 3C primarily, and I'm talking about like when I do a wash and go, which is not often, but when I do a wash and go, you can really see my curls. I'll try to put up a picture or something, but I would say primarily I have 3C curl pattern. But the inner sides of my hair, I don't know if that's 4A or if it's maybe 3C, but it's less defined. But those pieces of my hair tend to like not hold definition, like in a wash and go. That's because the weather is getting nice. People don't know how to act. But yeah, in a wash and go, my hair will get frizzy in the inner pieces, twist out. It doesn't matter. It just won't hold curl definition. I'm sure that a lot of you guys have like more than just 2 curl patterns on your head. So what's nice about these clip-ins is that they look very, very similar. Like, I couldn't spot any difference when they came, when I washed them, and now that I've like installed them, I kind of see a little bit of a difference, but not really. So let's just get right into the video. So let's get into the products that I used on these clip-ins, and I just did a simple wash and go to achieve this look that you guys saw in the beginning of the video. But first, I used the Melanin multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. It was my first time using it. I was not expecting that spearmint scent, but it was very, very moisturizing and had amazing slip. So I'm really excited to try this on my natural hair. I'm probably gonna try it like the next time I wash my hair. And then I followed that up with the Melanin Twist Elongating Cream, which I've already tried and I actually did a video on, so I'll link that down below. But this cream is pretty moisturizing as well. So I just used my fingers. The clip-ins were really easy to work with while I was washing them and also applying the products. They just applied super, super well. So now let's move on to installation. And as I mentioned before, these clip-ins are a combination of the natural curly texture and also the kinky curly texture by Curls. So they're kind of all mixed in there. So I'm just grabbing clip-in pieces and installing them. It's very, very simple. What I did was, with the front of my hair, I took my twist out and I kind of made like a U-shaped part, and I'm installing one of the 5-piece clip-ins to that part of my hair. And then I'm just taking some more clip-ins, variations of like the 2 weft clip-ins, the 3 weft clip-ins, and I'm installing that. The back had the 3 and the 4. The sides had like the 2 weft clip-ins, and then right in the middle I put that 5 weft clip-in. So it's very simple, and you know, if you've tried clip-ins before, it becomes easier. But now I'm just taking that leave out piece, spraying it with some water, and I just took some Melanin Twist Elongating Cream to moisturize and blend my hair with the clip-ins. So I've tried Curls natural curly texture clip-ins only before, and I thought that looked very natural, like blended really seamlessly with my hair. But this mixed texture set of clip-ins just took it to a whole other level. It looks very, very natural. I feel even closer to my natural curl pattern than just the natural curly texture alone. The only thing that was really missing was the volume, but as far as like the overall look, it just looks really pretty, really defined, and it was so easy to achieve this look. So if you're interested in Curls, then definitely check the description box down below. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.